What's up, guys? It's Hardcore Crypto here. In this video, we'll be taking a good look at Bitcoin and the reason why the crypto markets are crashing. Now, this is going to be a more should I say lengthy conversation of me trying to explain what I think to each and every one of you. Though first and foremost, I'm not a financial advisor, so if we dive straight into Bitcoin chart first, you will definitely know that I've been saying it right from time that there is every possibility for us to get a fake out and drop all the way down. Yeah, I've been saying that, and as we all have known, one of the drives that have been pushing crypto market to the upside, like I've always been saying, has been news. And most of the news that we've been getting, they are trade news, tariff, and what else? Basically, the person that has been pushing this market, we've had two factors pushing the market: Trump and the big institutions. By institutions, I meant MicroStrategy or Michael Saylor. What's this person's name called? What is this company called? Fidelity, BlackRock, and every other cryptocurrency, GameStop. These institutions that have been accumulating Bitcoin, adding Bitcoin to their spot position, to their wallet, they have been the ones accumulating and pumping Bitcoin. The retailers have not come in. The Wall Street they are not in. They are not in. So this is what we definitely need to have at the back of our mind. And like I said in my video way back on Bitcoin, I made it known to us that we will have to drop all the way down to our first support, which is $102,000. So we should definitely be expecting a move all the way down to $106,000. And if we're going to go below this, depending on the news and the fundamentals, like I said, we will definitely crash really hard. We'll definitely crash really hard to $102,000. This weekend is going to be very funny. It's going to be very bloody because we'll be getting a whole lot of pullback. So if you're looking for the time for you to start buying back, adding more margin to your position, or opening a long position or whatever, or dollar cost averaging, this is actually the right moment for you to do that. So yes, I'll just leave this for here, but let's just ignore this trend line. But our next area of support after 106,200 is definitely 102,115 or 114. Yes, worst case scenario, I am seeing us dropping all the way down to $95,000 before we rally much high, which is very much possible because I will be showing you guys one or two news. As we can see right here, we got this headline right here which says Trump's EU tariff threat leads to sharp correction in crypto markets. Trump announces plans for a 50% tariff on EU imports starting June, citing unfair trade practices. So, as we all can see, the US President Donald Trump announces plans to impose a 50% tariff on all goods imported from the European Union, effective from 1st of June. Now, the announcement has caused some nervousness in the crypto markets as earlier bullish momentum has corrected, which is very good. Proper timing. Like I would always say, the charts always predict the news. So definitely this guy just want to take some profit and they need to put out whatever news out there. So the fact that crypto has been pumping, the whole market has been pumping, these are just inside plays. Yes, these are inside plays, guys. Inside plays. You saw what happened in the Trump dinner and all what's not, how Trump coin dumped, though I think I might probably make a video on that, how the Trump coin dumped, because obviously after the meeting or whatever, they must have had an inside discussion telling themselves, oh, how they're probably going to do some whatever exit liquidity, just don't trust the government. Yes, that is what we need to actually know long term. So the proposed tariffs come in response to what Trump described as persistent trade imbalances and regulatory barriers. He accused the EU of maintaining unfair trade practices that have harmed US businesses. Well, this is kind of true because even the US have actually passed out a bill for immigrants, those coming to US and working and sending money back home. I think the it was initially 5% tax on whosoever that comes to US to work and they end up sending money home. I think it's they kind of cut it from 5% to 3.5. So US is trying as much as possible to bring more money into the system, bring more money into the economy in US, trying to bring back production, trying to bring back mass production in US, trying to make US wealthy and rich again. So if you are always hearing MAGA, making America great again, these are one of the things that Trump is actually looking forward to doing in his term in order for America to be great again. Yeah, so I want to show you guys one more thing. Yes, if you watch this video right here,
Why impose tariffs that you know are hurting American businesses?
They're not hurting, they're helping because they're creating jobs in America. We're creating tremendous amounts of jobs in America like you've never seen. We're having investment in America. We're not getting ripped off by every country in the world. We've been ripped off by every country in the world. They're making their product, they sell it. They don't give our people the jobs. They make them with other countries' jobs. And we will have something that nobody will ever see again, I think. I think we have a potential to do numbers that we never envisioned in the wildest year. Look at what's happening. 10 to 12 trillion dollars in literally a couple of months. It's nothing like that's ever happened. It's we're doing a very special thing. We want, if they're going to sell it here, generally speaking, not for all products. There's some products we don't want to make. And frankly, we're much better off getting them elsewhere. But for certain products, we want cars. We want to make cars. We don't want to have, and I like Canada very much, but we don't want to have Canada making our cars. We want to make our cars.
Posted on the forum, I said.
so as you all can see, Trump is really bringing back the tariff war again, which has started creating fraud and uncertainty in the market once again. So as you all can see, what has been happening in the past hours, just in Treasury Secretary Bissent says digital asset company deserves regulatory clarity, and that's exactly what we are working towards. Just in, Jim Cramer says it is too early to call the market bottom, which means there's every possibility for us to go down more. It's a very bearish statement right there. So just in, US and India new trade deal could be announced within 7 to 10 days. Okay, hopefully it's good. Just in, Bitcoin falls under 110k. So like I've been saying, guys, this was actually expected, though people were probably not expecting Bitcoin to, or the tariff war to come back, but people were probably expecting people to take profit, those that took a long position from 90 something k to take profit at 100 and something k. The truth of the matter is that whichever way, a news will definitely come out that will make people feel okay. This is the reason why this. Which brings me back to this comment I had on Dog my video yesterday. So this person said, lol, this the 70-cent price is gone now and will not come back until Sol goes to $120. If BTC goes sideways or goes higher, some alt blast super fast without support and resistance. Now this person is right 50% and also not right 50%, because this person is depending on Bitcoin, altcoin or meme coins. Now, first and foremost, there is the difference between altcoin and meme coins. Meme coin is the casino, and obviously dog is a meme coin. Yes, you can't compare dog to XRP, Cardano, Stellar, HBAR, Solana. You can't do that. You can't, or you shouldn't do that. So I'm not focused on the price of dog can go up, it can go down. It's a meme coin. I don't own any one of it in my bag. I just trade it in futures. But you should definitely know that this second part where you said if Bitcoin goes sideways or goes higher, some odds super blast fast into without support and resistance. That's how crypto works. Yes, that's how crypto works. No one is saying that technical analysis do not work. Is 100% certain. No, when the market is euphoric, people trade with their emotions, and you don't expect people who trade with their emotions to trade using support and resistance. No, it is people that are calculative, people that are well calculated, mentally calculated, or that are mentally or financially capable, well calculated, or people that are take calculated risks that use support and resistance, which works 85% of the time. Yes. So I am not saying you are 100% wrong or you are wrong. I'm just trying to let you know that this is the safest way I can predict the market for you. I can't just come and be giving you guys all sorts of stories, wasting your time. This is how history has been doing it: support and resistance, technical analysis. And with this say about Bitcoin going sideways, then the altcoins, or this is a meme coin. We're talking about dog right here. Dog doesn't care if Bitcoin is gonna pump or go move sideways before it moves. It's a meme coin. It's a meme coin. Meme coins are not always correlated with Bitcoin. In fact, most of the time, meme coins are not correlated with Bitcoin. They are hardly correlated with Bitcoin. It is big high market altcoins that are mostly correlated with Bitcoins. So you can't compare dog with how many millions of market cap to actually be correlated with Bitcoin like that. No. You shouldn't say that. But I'm not saying that you're entirely wrong, but I'm just trying to let you know that you shouldn't base your facts on the fact that what you just said is 100% true. Yes, so that's just all I want to let you guys know. If you do enjoy this video, do not forget to subscribe. I would love to do a giveaway when I hit 500 subscribers, and I would want you to participate in that. You might be the lucky winner. So subscribe, turn on post notification, like this video, and share this video with your friends. Thank you guys for watching. Have a wonderful weekend, guys. Peace out.